If you're considering going solar for your home, you'll need to choose between different types of solar panels. The four main options are monocrystalline, polycrystalline, mono-PERC, and thin-film panels. First on the list is monocrystalline solar panels. Monocrystalline panels are made from a single crystal of silicon, making them highly efficient at converting sunlight into electricity, around 15 to 22% efficiency. They have a distinctive look with the solar cells appearing as perfect black squares. Their high efficiency comes at a higher manufacturing cost compared to other panel types. However, you'll need fewer monocrystalline panels to generate the same power output. The cost range for monocrystalline solar panels is generally $1 to $1.50 per watt, not including installation costs. For a 10-panel system with 350W monocrystalline PERC panels, the average cost is around $6,500 installed. High-end monocrystalline panels like SunPower can cost $8,250 to $13,200 for a 10-panel system installed. Next most used solar panel type is polycrystalline solar panels. Polycrystalline panels are made from multiple silicon crystals rather than a single crystal. This gives them a distinctive speckled blue appearance. While not as efficient as monocrystalline at 13 to 16%, polycrystalline panels have a lower manufacturing cost, making them a more budget-friendly option. However, you'll likely need more panels to meet your energy needs. Polycrystalline panels typically cost 90 cents to $1 per watt, making them slightly cheaper than monocrystalline. The average cost for a 10-panel system with 300W polycrystalline panels is around $5,000 installed. For a range of polycrystalline panel wattages, 250W to 400W, the installed cost for 10 panels can range from $3,000 to $8,800. Next, we have thin-film solar panels. Thin-film solar cells are made by depositing one or more thin layers of photovoltaic material onto a substrate. This allows for flexible panels that can be bent or rolled. While typically less efficient at 7 to 13%, thin-film panels have a low manufacturing cost. They are also lightweight and can be used in unique applications like curved surfaces or portable solar chargers. Thin-film solar panels have a wide cost range of 50 cents to $1 per watt for just the panel materials. For a 10-panel system, the total installed cost ranges from $3,000 to $7,000 on average, depending on the specific thin-film technology used: amorphous silicon, cadmium telluride, CIGS. The low-end installed cost for 10 cadmium telluride thin-film panels is around $2,500, while the high-end for 10 CIGS panels is around $8,800 installed. Lastly, we have Monoperc solar panels. Monoperc, which stands for monocrystalline passivated emitter and rear cell, is an advanced solar cell technology. It builds upon standard monocrystalline construction by adding a reflective layer that bounces light back into the silicon, increasing efficiency to around 22 to 24%. This higher efficiency comes with a higher price tag compared to standard monocrystalline panels, but Monoperc can generate more electricity from the same installation area. In summary, monocrystalline and Monoperc offer the highest efficiencies but also the highest costs. Polycrystalline strikes a balance between cost and performance, while thin film provides a low-cost solution for certain niche applications. No matter which type of solar panel technology you choose, installing solar can help reduce your carbon footprint and save money on your electricity bills for decades to come. For a more comprehensive look at the different types of solar panels, their specifications and costs, be sure to visit our in-depth guide by clicking the link in the description below.